Hi everyone, welcome to Kotlin Tips. My name is Seb, and today we're figuring out how long our code actually takes. Let's say our code calls a long-running operation, like the one I have here, which prints 2 million dots to the command line and then returns a certain value. What we now want to do is get the return value, but also get the time that it took to execute this long operation. Well, using the experimental time class, we get a function that allows us to do just that. We can wrap long operation in a call to measureTimedValue. And as you can see, this returns us a timed value, which boxes the return type of the long operation that we had here, which is string. Of course, the way that you would probably use this instead of using the timed value would be to destructure this immediately. So that would be by using the destructuring operator and accessing the value and the time individually. Now we could print each one of these. For example, we could say it took time to calculate value. When we run this, we can now see that the long-running operation is printing a lot of dots. And after it is done, we see that this operation took 4.7 seconds to calculate the return value, which we just hard-coded as done. measureTimedValue is not the only function that you get from the kotlin.time package. You can also find other things for measuring, for example, measuring the time in milliseconds, or in nanoseconds, or getting just a duration back. But in those cases, you cannot access the return type of the function that you're calling inside your block. So that's why I wanted to highlight measureTimedValue specifically. If you're currently working on improving the performance of your Kotlin application, it might also make sense to go for a real framework that allows you to benchmark things, such as KotlinX Benchmark, which we built here at JetBrains as well. You can find that library on the Kotlin GitHub organization. I hope you found this useful, and may you always know how fast your Kotlin code is running. See you in the next one, and take care.